Yeah, I'm iCar certified and Mercedes certified. So I got some training in Teslas too. So right now we have welders. We got the frame rack pretty much complete with all the clamps that we need. And then the laser system to measure, the frame pretty much. They're all good. They're all good quality. They're all good build and easy to work. I like all of them. This frame rack, because it has like the center rail with the arm that you can move it like every angle that you want and put it on the frame, measure it like pretty much everywhere. So I love that. So the first time I used it was about 10 years ago, and I got in love with it. Since it's so easy to work with, and it's save you a lot of time to set up your car, start your pulls, all the equipment, all the clamps, makes it really easy to get your job done right. It improves a lot because the way it's built is like all perfect pretty much. All the clamps, you set it on the rack, they're fit perfectly, and then you can get access, you can lift the car, you can work underneath pretty easy. So it's pretty efficient. You get the job done right. You don't have to be guessing, should I be straight right now or not? You get it straight right away because you got the laser system pretty accurate, and then you measure it really good. So your cars will be straight back to factory.